How to protect your privacy before sharing photos on Samsung One UI. Usually, to blur or hide sensitive information in a photo, we rely on the built-in editing tools in Samsung Gallery. Since it's done manually, it can be difficult to fully cover sensitive information in a quick and effective way. Let me show you a useful trick. With just a single tap, you can instantly hide sensitive information. You can select different concealment styles depending on your preference. To hide additional information, simply tap on it once like this. To see the original photo again, simply tap the button located at the bottom right corner. Now, let me show you how to bring this feature to your Samsung Galaxy phone. First, open any web browser. I'll be using Samsung Internet. In the search bar, type Privacy Protection Samsung APK and look for it. Then open website so you can download the APK versions of this app. This is a default Samsung app that comes pre-installed on the Chinese ROM version. To use it on the global version, we need to install the APK manually. After the download finishes, go to your file manager, locate the APK file, and proceed with the installation. Now, the privacy protection feature originally available on Samsung's Chinese models is fully usable on your Galaxy device. For the first time, setup, swipe left to access the More menu. From there, tap on Privacy Protection to enable and use it. Tap on the area to hide or unhide the selected section. After hiding all the sensitive information, you can now easily share the photo with others. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.